I was in Stratford playing the eponymous hero of Coriolanus when I received a telegram from my agent who told me that Thomas Hooper, the well-known Oscar-winning director, had offered me the part of Thénardier, the sleazy, slightly dirty innkeeper. I said to him, are you bloody joking? Are you bloody drunk? And he was. But then it turned out, there he is, that's Tom Hooper, the one behind it. And eventually it turned out it was true. I got offered the part, and I took it. It turned out they were not paying me, but I thought it was worth it anyway. I needed the career break, and this is it. I'm here. It's a real tour de force. Plus, I got the chance to act alongside Wolverine, which I think was Jackman's tour de force, really spectacular.